on YouTube in forever, but I'm starting it again. So I figured I would just start with like a huge grocery haul. I'm just gonna explain to you guys like my staple foods. So I separated it into like protein, carbs, veggies, fruits, all of that. So let's go ahead and start with protein. I got all of this from either Costco or Walmart, by the way. This is just a frozen bag of shrimp, ready to drink protein shakes. Super easy just to like grab and go if you need something on the go. I got these from Walmart in the protein section. Big bag of ground turkey, big bag of chicken breast. Pro tip, if you get the frozen one, it comes in bulk and it's usually a lot cheaper. Bacon, egg whites. I seriously eat egg whites all the time. Whole wheat spaghetti, garlic toast, which I don't totally recommend if you're trying to be healthy. A cinnamon toast crunch. Sweet potatoes are a huge, huge staple for me. Sweet potatoes. I also have red potatoes down here. Got bananas, apples. Lower carb fruit is gonna be berries. So think like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. Chobani drinks are like the best. It comes in like this huge container, and then that's another thing that you can just grab and go. Macros are amazing. Pure protein bars, and they're just like, the macros are way more balanced than like a Clif Bar, so those are really good. What I'll do for veggies is stick to bell peppers, zucchini, asparagus, spinach, spring mix for salads, the holy guacamole things. Also really good to put in like tacos, on eggs. I got salsa, white mushrooms I'll like throw in like omelets. Pumpkin, because I have a ton of good pumpkin recipes coming, and it's fall, so might as well get pumpkin. That's typically like a normal grocery haul for me, at least. Lean sources of protein, a good amount of veggies, fruits, some fun carbs, but mainly I like to stick to like rice, potatoes, things like that for the week. Okay, first recipe is gonna be pumpkin blondies.
Digits on the beat.
top the Blondies with this like creamy protein sauce.
Digits on the beat.
You just make sure it's mixed really good, and then it's pretty good. We're gonna use that as a topping for the pumpkin blondies. Well, I could have cooked a little longer, but I like it. Okay guys, recipe number 2 is gonna be on the go overnight oats. They're gonna be pumpkin cheesecake overnight oats. They're gonna be bomb.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.
yummy. Top it with some Cool Whip. Okay, let's try these new and improved pancakes. Bye guys.